So this is not the video that I wanted to make, ever. Just when I thought we were done with the Los Angeles fires, this happens. It sucks, but here we are. Let's go assess the damage, see what happened to my car wash. I have to be grateful because the building next door was not so lucky. Let's go check it out. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, look at this insaneness. Look at this. Well, that's not good, but it's also not as bad as it could have been. It could have been way worse. The fire could have spread all the way to the car wash and the whole car wash could have burnt down, but it's about 7:30 in the morning. I was watching this on the cameras. I couldn't make it out last night. It happened about 12 hours ago. Man, you can smell it. Even with the mask on, you can smell it. So I have to be a little grateful that the firefighters put it out before it got to the car wash, and they actually did put it out. As you can see in the footage from my cameras, it didn't fall on my building until the fire was out, and probably a couple of hours later when they had the excavator demolishing in it, and that's when it fell onto the roof of the car wash. Man, incredible. It's one thing to see on TV. Maybe you've never seen a burnt down building like this, but it looks like a movie set. It really is. Rubble, wood, debris everywhere. So it really won't be too much for me to fix. Very, very lucky. Very lucky. Very lucky. So this was a building. It had 3 suites in it. One was an arcade. The signs say arcade, day spa, and smoke shop. For some reason, I feel like the smoke shop wasn't there, or one of them wasn't there. And as sad as this may be, but I think one of them was like a pet store, which either housed pets or looked after pets. So I can only hope that there were no dogs inside that got burnt. So the reason I say it's a pet store is because the owner wanted to have a dog show here at the car wash, and we were texting back and forth about a year ago. But yeah, those 3 suites, businesses completely gone. And now the question is, well, what started the fire? I think it started in the arcade, because that's where the flames were coming out of. The arcade was the first one closest to the car wash. And could have been bad wiring, which I learned from my last video. But yeah, there we go. And it's just incredible how much water that these firefighters put on this thing to get it out. So big shout out to the fire brigade. Big shout out to them doing a good job. But you can see in the footage how much water was flooding. My whole car wash was flooded. B5 is still flooded. And it's still flooding here. Look at this. Well, that's flooding because of that. Nice little waterfall going on. It's insane how no one's here right now. Like, they don't have it blocked off. No one's here. Anyone can just walk around and go on there. It's a big hazard site. This is still flooded. I bet this palm tree is happy, getting a nice big drink. And of course it happened Friday night, because we were expected to have a nice busy weekend. Saturday morning right now. And, car wash owners understand that the worst of the worst always happens Saturday mornings, but I can still stay open. I can still have probably 3 bays open. There's the Edison's electric box. And then that's the roof. That's literally the roof right there. Just completely squished. So that's the roof. There's a toilet, which I could use right now. Someone come shut the water off. Or do I have to do it? I think the water would be, mine's over here. So I would guess that, oh, there's these 3 suites. It's either up over there or at the back here. But I'm not touching nothing. Look at that. Look at that now, man. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Let's get in. Look at that. You cannot even see the 5, 4, and 3. Oh no. So I checked the camera on Bear Valley. I was coming from Fontana and I saw a bunch of smoke coming out of the car wash. I freaked out. I saw the car wash. It catch on fire, but thank God it was not a car wash. It was an empty building next to the car wash. So that was a good relief. I feel sorry for whoever owns that building. Another day in car wash life. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll keep you guys update with the fire. See how it looks from there. I bet you they were freaking out. That's a brand new shop. Well, not brand new, but within the last year it opened up, or it got built actually. As sad as it is, I will say, cars driving that way, now my car wash is much more visible. So as sad as it is, it's a good thing. Actually, no, it's not. It's not really. I thought it was, but you still got this big building blocking my car wash. These were sitting way back there. Whew. Where's all my customers? Where's all my customers? I got some cleaning up to do. Someone's living their best life. So Jiffy Lube is closed. They usually, what the hell, snow? I mean, it's cold right now, but it's not. Oh no, that's foam. I thought that was snow, but it's foam. And then we got all the mess here, the rocks. It's not, it's actually coal. That's coal from the building. And Jiffy Lube's closed. And the water's still running. It's running all the way down the alleyway, down here. Open up, guys. Business never stops. But yeah, this is all ash, coal. So it's crazy how far it actually travels. Look at that, bro. Throw it up. It's bad. Look at these. Definitely the car wash is getting a little bit water on top of the roof, for sure. Yeah. Really, really bad. Look, it's coming water up from the roof. See that? It's really bad, bro. really, really bad. But let's get up here and have a look, check it out. Last night on my cameras, I was watching I got a camera up here facing the whole thing, so I was watching the flames come. And then, hey, breakfast for me. So this was completely flooded, and there was like literally a waterfall just going down here. And Edwin blocked this off. This was his doing just an hour ago. So I can go in there, which I will. But just gone. Look at that ladder. Letterboxes survived. Look at that. It's crazy. It's just incredible to see the damage that fire causes. And not just the fire, but the water from the fire brigade, the people putting it out. And you can only imagine the Pacific Palisades when it happened. 10,000 homes, acres and acres of this. I mean, this is just one building, and I'm like amazed by it. There's one of the arcade machines left standing. I got a customer. So let's go check out Bay 5. Bay 5 is completely flooded because I'm guessing that the grate holes are all blocked up. See, that's the grate there, and just the holes are all blocked up with debris. That's my roof that I got to fix. I could probably use that still and just kind of put it back up. But what a mess. What a mess. Lucky my conduit's fine. That's power to my vacuums, so that should be good. What a mess, what a mess. My trash bin, my poor trash bin. Trash is supposed to go in the bin. If I had the lid open, it would have just fallen in nicely. What is that big thing? Look at that. Trolley. I don't even see any arcade machines. They're probably all just blown up. But yeah, that's crazy. And this is the roof I gotta fix. So that's good. Straighten that out, put that back up. Yeah, I should be able to make something happen. I think the biggest problem is that side. But again, I could probably have 4 bays open, keep this one closed, and just fix it all, get it back to the way it was. But I'm glad I don't have to close. Look at all that soap. Look at that soap. All right, well. Crazy, just crazy. I can only imagine what it was like to be here 12 hours ago when it was up in flames, going crazy with all the firefighters here. The things that they see, crazy. A lot of people never see in their lifetime. Someone dropped their Visa cards. So let me get to work, let me clean this up. Using the air dryer. So I'm up on the roof right now to assess the actual damage on the roof. Hey, sneaker. And make sure it didn't land on my blowers. Okay, so I could probably use that. Just basically rebuild it along here, as long as there's everything. Straighten the pole back up. Spare boom I never knew I had sitting up on the roof here. Look at that. See, good things do come out of it. Man. What a sight. What a sight for my sore eyes. Crazy. I mean, my biggest thing is I can't even tell what was what. I don't see any arcades, I don't see nothing. No games, just gone. That's insane. So let's see if we can get this water to drain down. Clear the holes. I mean, they're just gonna clog back up again. I don't really see it going down too much. Well, maybe it is, it's swirling. There we go, we got a swirl. Clear that, great. Yeah, the holes just keep clogging up, but should just take the grate off, but then I'd have all the debris and crap go down, which I don't really want. Man. I mean, I got out pretty lucky. I'm not too upset compared to them. It's just a little corner of the roof and one of my lights. Oh, not my light. My LED light. No. So I got a little cleanup going on the way. Just a bunch of sweeping, clean all this mess up, get my side nice and clean, be back in business. And that's what I'm saying about no one being here. There's kids just playing on the friggin' burnt site. Literally like a 6-year-old and a 15-year-old just hanging out on the burn site. It's not even blocked off, no one here, no security. It's just a free-for-all where kids can hang out on a burn site. They got their scooters, just going for a nice scoot around some burn fire. There it is. That's crazy. Like I said in the beginning of this video, it's not one that I wanted to make. It's not one that we anticipate that is ever going to happen to us, but until it does, you know, you just got to sort it out. But who knows what they're going to build there next. But I'm going to fix my roof, get that back to normal, and thank the Lords, because the car wash survived. Thanks for watching, guys. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.